How to fix WhatsApp last seen time not showing problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix last seen time not showing problem on Android phone. First open settings, open WhatsApp and then click these 3 points here in the top corner, and now click settings, this one, and then click account, this one here, and now just click privacy and then click this one here, last seen and online. Now just maybe you will find it here, then just make it my contacts or everyone, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.